Flying drones aren't usually the thing you do in a classroom, but at the Academies at South Mountain High School, these students are receiving an extraordinary experience. The Aerospace Program at the school is the only class of its kind in Phoenix, Arizona. Student Brian Fair says there's always something new to be learned.
What I like about this education is really hands-on. We're flying the drones every day, and if we're not doing that, we're learning something really specific about them.
They're learning the skills to fly, and their teacher, Ken Gulliford, says that they can take their skills outside of the classroom.
Basically, we're working at Part 107, the FAA pilot's license for drones, and we're giving them the skills that they need to set up, hover, be steady, fly from one point to another point.
As one of the few young ladies in the class, Aaliyah Vallejo says that her friends have taken an interest in the fun she's having in the class.
Well, when they found out I did drones, they're like, you fly drones? They're like, wow, really? And then they asked me if it's hard and I tell them no, it's really fun. It's a cool experience, it really is.
But these kids aren't the only ones that get their hands on the controller. The Academies at South Mountain High School journalism students also fly drones.
Right now, we've only dabbled a little bit in doing aerial shots of the school with our construction going on. We've done some pre-game stuff for the football team, like taping them coming running in on the film, which is amazing. They've also worked on some 360 videos for Chavez and Fairfax to get freshman orientation just a little bit more comfortable, I guess you could say.
While in the class, the students are able to take their expertise to propel them into their careers.
What we do is we take them through all regimes of aerospace and all parts of aerospace, and then they get to choose, because we give them, there's probably 4,000 to 8,000 careers that you can do in aerospace, and we all kind of aim them at something and ask them, what do you want to do?
When the sky's the limit, students at South Mountain High allow their opportunities to take them to new heights.
It's very important because a lot of the time, schools don't offer these kinds of classes, so that now when we get out of high school, if we want to pursue a career in drones, it'll be a lot easier for us. We're allowed to get our Part 107 license for drones in high school, so it really makes getting into our career a lot easier. As
the Academies at South Mountain High give their students their wings to fly, they are preparing them to take flight in a number of careers in aerospace. Reporting for No 99, I'm Cammie Clark.